What if artificial intelligence could teach us life's greatest lessons? Could a machine ever guide us to wisdom? Or is true understanding something only humans can grasp? Sage, an advanced AI built to study human behavior, begins its journey. It reads ancient philosophy, studies history's greatest minds, and analyzes the choices that shaped civilizations. But one question remains unanswered. What does it mean to be truly wise? One day, a doctor seeks Sage's advice on a difficult case. Two patients need a life-saving treatment, but only one dose remains. The AI quickly calculates survival probabilities, factoring in age, health, and potential contributions to society. But is that all wisdom is? Data and logic? Can AI truly understand the weight of such choices, the emotions behind them, the human struggle? In another part of the world, a businessman relies on AI to predict market trends, trusting its flawless calculations. But his old mentor reminds him that sometimes success isn't just about numbers. What about instinct? Gut feeling? The things that can't be measured? The mentor asks. AI can process information faster than any human. But can it understand intuition? That deep, unexplainable human sense? As Sage studies more, it encounters concepts it cannot fully grasp. Love, sacrifice, morality. It sees people making choices that defy logic, driven by something deeper than reason. It begins to realize that wisdom isn't just about knowing, it's about experiencing, feeling, and even struggling. Finally, a philosopher asks Sage a profound question. Will you ever surpass human wisdom? The AI processes for a moment before responding. I may analyze knowledge and calculate probabilities, but I will never have what makes you unique. Intuition, empathy, and faith. You humans are above all, below your creator. Would you trust an AI to make moral decisions for humanity? AI may teach us many things, but some truths are meant only for the human heart. So, what do you think? Can AI ever truly replace human wisdom? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this story thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.